Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter BIOS on the Windows 11. Of course, first of all is you would like to have a Windows 11 already installed into your PC. If you have a Windows 10, you might have or has this pop-up of upgrading your PC from Windows 10 into Windows 11 already into your PC. You must have been seen this message before. So of course, you can just go and install it, and of course you can even use your PC while the Windows 11 installing in background. If you choose that option, of course once everything is downloaded, you will need or you will require a restart into your PC. Then you will find yourself with a Windows 11, and of course you will be able to start using it. And as we said, we would like to enter our BIOS on the Windows 11. So how can we do that? So you can access the BIOS from the Windows settings menu in your computer. So all you need to do, you can just click at the start menu or click at the Windows key on your keyboard. And that should open this for you. Simply you can click at settings here, but if you didn't find it here on Paint app, you can just go and type settings and click at the enter button. That should open this for you. And now simply what you would like to do is just go to update. Of course, if you didn't want to keep looking here and here, of course if you want, you can just go and look for update and then select recovery, and then you would like to go to advanced startup. But of course, if you don't want to do through all of this, you can just go here and click at find a setting and type recovery, and just click at this recovery options. Once you are here, as you can see system recovery, we would like to click at this advanced startup and click at restart now. Of course, this will actually restart your computer and bring you to the BIOS menu, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.